Okay. Morning, Melvin. Your mom said that you were confused and going through the text. It was confusing, so I'm gonna explain it through a video. Pretty much in that platform, you only needed to select 4. But each question wasn't a matching question. It was like, so I understood. Now I get it. Matching. Conectar. I just wanted you to solve like 4 in a row. Like, let's say if you wanted to solve these, I was just gonna solve all of these 4, and then each question is separate. So I'm gonna explain. Pretty much I could provide numbers for each little square. You could go horizontal or vertical, whatever you like. So let me go ahead and put the numbers. Like that's number 1, number 2. I'm gonna put number 3 over here just because I have more space. And that's number 4. So in the text, I send you the answer for, I think it was number 1 and number 4. So number 1, another way to represent 198,023. So the answer for number 1 is a standard form. So I'm gonna write it 198. So it's still like place value, because next year you're gonna go all the way to billions, thousands, remember the comma, 23. So I have 23, so I don't have any hundreds, so I had to put it like that. Number 4, if you look at number 4, it's only 300s because these are hundreds. This is 50, so I'm gonna cross that out now, 50, and these are 2 ones. So the total value of those blocks is 352. And therefore you need to solve number 2 and number 3 so you can connect them, and then you are done. You just need to do 4. But let's say now I'm gonna go another way. Okay, so I'm gonna erase this. You need to solve 4 in a row. I'm gonna put number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So I already did number 1. So the answer for number 1, now I'm going vertical, but I can still see what you're probably doing. 198,023. Now if you want to, it's already in word form. You can do it in expanded form if you want to. Number 2, I still have a pictorial, so I'm doing number 2 because I'm trying to connect all 4 questions. You can count the number of hundreds, so hopefully you can tell that there's 500s, and 500 is 500. And if you look at it closely, you can see that's 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me make sure. See, I'm going super fast. Yes. And I can leave it like that because now I did the expanded form. So I did it in a different way. Number 3 is an expanded form already. So you can do it through word form or expanded notation or just standard. Remember, standard form, use like this one, it just uses digits like that one, like from 0 to 9. So now I'm going to do number 3 or number 4. You see that? Because I'm following the row. So I'm just going to concentrate on those. Okay. You could have put the numbers in all the things. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I'm gonna put it right there, and 16. And then you can solve for 13, 14, 15, 16, since that makes a row. Or you can solve 4, 7, 10, and 13, because that makes a diagonal like that. Yeah, I know. Or if you're still confused, let me know. And if not, don't worry about it. Just start from today's work. I know you've been working a lot, which I appreciate. I'm not gonna torture you for not doing something, especially for someone that's really trying like you. So good job. Keep on trying. Don't give up on me. You're almost there. And keep in mind, place value is super important, especially for 4th grade. Okay, you're gonna see a lot of larger numbers. Okay, so take care and let me know if you have any questions.